you ever wondered what happens if two cases involving the same dispute are pending in different courts? Can the second case continue, and what if the second case is a summary suit under Order 37 CPC? Does Section 10 of the CPC stop it immediately? In today's video, we will understand the landmark Supreme Court judgment Indian Bank versus Maharashtra State Cooperative Marketing Federation Limited in a very simple language. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what Section 10 CPC means, what a summary suit under Order 37 is, why this case is important, and the legal principle that every judiciary aspirant and law student should remember. Before understanding the case, let's first understand Section 10 of CPC. Section 10 is called the Doctrine of Stay of Suit. It says that if there is already a previously instituted suit, the parties are the same, and the issue in both suits is directly and substantially the same, then the court cannot proceed with the trial of the later suit. The purpose is simple: to avoid two courts deciding the same dispute, to prevent conflicting judgments, to save judicial time. Remember one more point here: Section 10 does not stop the filing of a suit, it only stops the trial of the later suit. Now the biggest question becomes, what does the word trial actually mean? That is exactly what this case answers. Let's understand the facts of this case. A cooperative federation requested Indian Bank to issue an irrevocable letter of credit in favor of Shankar Rice Mills. The bank issued the letter of credit. Later disputes arose regarding payment. The federation first filed a regular civil suit. After that, Indian Bank filed a summary suit under Order 37 CPC for recovery of money. The federation argued here there is already a previously filed suit between the same parties. Therefore, under Section 10 CPC, the summary suit should be stayed. Initially, the single judge rejected this argument. However, the division bench of the Bombay High Court held that the word trial includes almost the entire proceedings after the defendant appears. So it stayed the summary suit. Indian Bank then appealed to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court had to answer one simple but important question: does Section 10 CPC apply to a summary suit under Order 37 from the very beginning, or does the trial in a summary suit begin only after leave to defend is granted? The Supreme Court first explained the purpose of Section 10. Its object is only to stop parallel trials. It is not meant to stop every proceeding in the later suit. The court also observed that Section 10 is merely a procedural provision. It does not take away the court's jurisdiction. It does not prohibit filing a suit. It only postpones the trial. Now let's understand Order 37. A summary suit is a special procedure for speedy recovery. The defendant cannot automatically contest the case. The defendant must first enter appearance, apply for leave to defend. If leave to defend is refused, the plaintiff gets a decree immediately. So until leave to defend is granted, there is actually no trial. According to Supreme Court, the real trial begins only after leave to defend is granted. The Supreme Court disagreed with the Bombay High Court. It held that Section 10 does not stop the court from issuing summons, hearing the summons for judgment, deciding the application for leave to defend, refusing leave to defend, or even passing a decree where the defendant has no right to defend. Only after leave to defend is granted does the actual trial begin. Therefore, Section 10 can operate only from the stage onward if its conditions are otherwise satisfied. The Supreme Court restored the order of the single judge and allowed the appeal. The legal principle laid down is, in a summary suit under Order 37 CPC, the trial begins only after the defendant is granted leave to defend. Therefore, Section 10 CPC does not prevent the court from conducting the preliminary stages of a summary suit. If this explanation helped you understand the case, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more case law explanation in a simple language. Comment below which landmark judgment you would like me to explain next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.